that. Fish on. Oh yeah.
Morning. Nice day today. A little windy. I think a storm's rolling in, but yeah, had a good night's sleep.
you're out of the wind, it's really nice.
Yeah.
Back at campsite. That was a good little fishing trip. Didn't catch anything, but it was nice just to get out. It's really windy today, so hard to navigate the water. We're just gonna hang out. We deserved it. This is the life. Joking. Oh my god. How do I manage to do this? So we've been kind of waiting out the wind all day. It finally seemed to calm down a bit, so we're gonna go back out and do some more fishing. I caught a little 10-inch brook trout just from shore here, and I put it back, but yeah, other than that, we've been keeping busy. We set up a tarp behind us here for communal gear, and we're expecting, my Zolio is telling me that we're expecting a couple days of rain here, so we're going to just stockpile some firewood here underneath and keep some gear dry, and it'll be kind of a communal area if it's raining and we need to make coffee or something. So got another little brookie for dinner tonight, and this one's a little bit smaller than yesterday's, and I didn't really want to keep this one. He absolutely swallowed that lure, so unfortunately I had to off him. He won't be put to waste. He will be appreciated with my dinner tonight, so thank you. Dinner for night 2.
Alright, so to pair with my brook trout this evening, I'm going to make some quinoa. Let's see how this goes.
Peppermint tea.
What do you got for dinner, man?
Oh, organic mountain house thing.
You eat organic?
It is shepherd's pie.
My dinner's organic too.
Yeah, well, not everyone has a horseshoe in their anus.
I think I just know how to fish better than you. Twist and split.
Yeah.
Do you have a fork or spoon now? It's not ready yet, but try it. Try a little bite. I don't know why I haven't used the stuff sooner. Still a little crunchy. That's really good.
The flavor in that is crazy.
Right? I thought it was just plain old quinoa, but that's like...
That's nuts.
And then now I'm gonna mix brook trout for that.
Can you stop saying brook trout?
Brook trout. Speckled trout?
I don't want to hear about it.
Oh yes. Oh, that smells good. Let's add that into the quinoa. And we're gonna be dining in style. Yum. Yeah, look at that. Quinoa and brook trout.
The wind definitely died. If you look at the lake, it's like,
Oh. Dude.
winter.
Oh. This is better than the rice and veggies yesterday. That was a good dinner, and now it's starting to rain.
You wouldn't know it was raining if you're at camp, but you can hear it out in the bush and on the lake. You can really see it. So we're gonna start packing some stuff away here, and I think we're expecting rain all night, so it should just be an early night tonight. Just laying in the hammock now. It was a good day, really good day. Just started raining a bit, so early night. I'm just gonna kind of chill and hang out. A lot warmer tonight than other nights have been, so I'm just kind of hanging out in my long johns, really. Yeah, so see you tomorrow. Been laying in the hammock for 12 hours. Probably time to get up. Yeah, I've seen a fish jump. A little bit more of an overcasty day today, and I just spent 12 hours in my hammock. I think I had the best sleep of my life. I'm gonna make a fire, have some breakfast. How'd you sleep?
Make fire, have some breakfast.
Make fire, have some breakfast.
12 hours of sleep.
Like, that was a solid 12 hours sleeping. I think I woke up like twice. Yeah, we kept our firewood dry by leaving it under this communal tarp. So you can see we've got a nice little stockpile there. So it rained pretty much all last night, and this morning kind of stopped now. So yeah. I don't think I've ever had Swedish berries for breakfast.
You ever been camping before, I guess, then?
I've gone camping. I've made proper breakfasts. Breakfasts. So for breakfast today, we're sharing a peak refuel breakfast: eggs, sausage, potatoes, and peppers. It looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does, salt and pepper. It smells and act like at a real breakfast.
Oh yeah, that's good. That tastes like a real breakfast.
If you brought ketchup packets too, I don't know if you like ketchup on eggs.
I don't.
Oh, okay.
You're a ketchup egg eater?
I am. Yeah.
Let's see your reaction here. Gotta upplay it.
Wow.
Genuine reaction. Time to do some fishing. Lost one. Look at that. Beautiful. Got dinner tonight. Beautiful. Got dinner tonight. Nice weather coming through. Hopefully tomorrow's nice, but we'll see. What's wrong?
I'm pissed.
Why?
Because you have a horseshoe up your ass. Fish the same spot for 2 hours with the same lure in the exact same location. I get nothing, he gets 5 bites. Figure that out.
I think I'm just a better fisherman.
Yeah.
That's all. We even have matching coats.
There's nothing different.
Bro, he's just back there. You just got to fish. Fish on. I'm going back to camp and I'm going to clean this bad boy. Thank you to this wonderful lake once again, providing us dinner tonight. Look at this beautiful brookie. That's going to taste amazing. Well, it was a good afternoon.
Oh yeah. Haven't caught a fish all weekend. Got pretty frustrated, but just caught 4 today, 3 in a matter of 20 minutes. Beautiful too.
And I caught that nice one that we're going to be having for dinner tonight. And I missed probably a handful earlier. But we're just warming up by the fire here. Gonna get dinner ready. And yeah, having the time of our lives.
$, right there. Selling feet pics.
How can they contact you for feet pics?
1-800-FEET-PICS.
1-800, what was it, feet pics?
Feet pics.
Feet pics? Feet pits. Feet pics. 1-800 feet pics. Where you can get pictures of these feet. Good dinner tonight? I think so. So what is this thing?
This is a freeze-dried ice cream sandwich from NASA.
NASA?
NASA. Look at that.
Wait,
If you're an English-speaking person, it's NASA.
it's NASA.
No, it's NASA.
That looks completely normal, but I'm assuming it's just dry as like chalk. It's like a wafer bar.
Very weird. Good, but weird.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. From NASA.
NASA. Would buy again. Passed my grade 10 with flying carpets, bud.
Well, that was a good dinner. Now we're just heating up some soapy water to do dishes, and we'll probably be off to bed. So check in tomorrow. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Well, this is fun. Brodie just found a kind of hairline crack in his canoe. Definitely going all the way through on both sides. Yeah, the strap just broke off, so that's fun. Dinner's on Brodie tonight. Good job, man.
Fish.